Beautiful parks, beautiful buildings, beautiful Portland. Oh, hell yeah. Nice. It's an awesome day. Ugh, my favorite bridge. Ugh, this is always sketchy to ride on. I don't know, like, especially in the rain, it's kind of sketchy, but like, does anybody know how much traction you really have on this graded bridge? Like, you can look down and see the water, I think, or something. This is a crazy bridge. I hate riding on it, but it seems like I always end up on it. But you just feel the whole bike washing around on it. Ugh. All right, let's go downtown and see what's cracking. What is today? The 16th of March, 2020? Something like that. It is a magnificent day. Sun is shining. I think it's trying to hit like 60 degrees today or something. I don't even have any long underwear on or anything. It's nice just to throw some pants on and, well, my riding pants anyways, and not have to worry about staying all warm and stuff. In fact, I'm gonna open the vents on my helmet. So yeah, I just thought I would come downtown and see what's going on. Couldn't sit in my room with all this sunshine out, so anyways, if you guys want to join me for a little trip downtown, kick back and enjoy. Loving the exhaust on this thing. Been actually thinking about maybe getting a slip-on for this thing, but it's hard to do when this thing sounds so good. I just don't like the way the stock exhaust kind of looks, but I love the way it sounds. For stock exhaust, this is really good sounding exhaust. Looks big. Big and old, big and old. Looks like some of these food trucks are still open. And you've got some good food trucks here. I think my favorite is the one that has the Euros. I can't turn here, it's one way. That has the Euros. It's oh man, in the summertime I like to go down there around midnight or something, and before they close, and get a Euro at midnight. It's freaking awesome. It's right next to the strip club. I forget the name of it. Downtown Portland's got some weird shit, man. They got like speed bumps like that, so you turn wider. It's all about like pedestrian stuff, and they got like potted plants out in the middle of the freaking intersections that you have to go around, and it's, I don't know, it's kind of weird. Bike lanes everywhere. But isn't Portland weird? That's what some people say. I don't know. I like Portland. I think it's fun. It's cozy here. Real cozy. A lot more cozier than LA. I can tell you that much. Scientology. Portland. Oh, okay, right here. This is the food carts I was just talking about. So, on the end, gosh, I almost want to stop. Stupid virus. I would if it wasn't for this crap going around. I just don't feel that confident. Okay, so right here at the end, right there, it says gyros right there. That is the best gyros in town. This is 3rd and Washington. So 3rd and Washington, downtown Portland. The Euro food truck right there. Woo! Bomb. Chipotle, which is closed. Thai cuisine, which has an open sign. They said, we don't give a fuck about your virus bans. No, they're probably just doing takeout. I don't mean to talk that way. Beautiful parks, beautiful buildings, beautiful Portland. Gotta love it, man. Gotta love it. Alright, I think we'll cut across and go back across the river. We just did a circle through, if you guys didn't notice. And we'll turn here. All these cop cars right here, unmarked. Man, those cherry blossoms look rad. Oh, I'm gonna go back on my favorite bridge. I think not. Unless I'm forced to. I'm telling you, man, I always just gravitate towards this bridge that I don't like for some reason. It's weird. Yeah, we can turn here, so I don't have to go on that stupid bridge. Construction. Yeah, baby. Little wheelie action. Baby wheelies. I'm getting better. I'm slowly but surely getting better, so don't knock me. I'm just learning. So yeah, people are doing their thing, that's for sure. Construction's still booming, which I didn't think that was gonna stop, but kind of worry about those guys sometimes. You get some big cruze going and little 400 and ooh. Where you going, policewoman? On the waterfront. Okay, we can cross the bridge up here. And we're going to go by Omzi. Omzi. Which is our like science museum or whatever you want to call it. It's great for the kids if you guys got kids. But it's also some access right to the water and the Tillamook crossing, which is our newest bridge that you can't drive on. Only in Portland, baby, only in Portland. That's where I'm gonna find you, coming right behind you. No, I'm not going that way. Alright, now I know where I'm going. I like the Eagles. Got some good jams. Kind of grew up listening to them, parents and all. and had a slight connection. Guy my dad worked with, who I ended up working with later down the line. He was a drummer. He still is a drummer. He used to drum for Joe Walsh. So it's pretty rad. All right. Oh, I needed to turn there. Maybe I can go straight here. I know where I'm at now. Yeah, I can go here and turn, I think. Alrighty. There's a train museum over here too that I've been to that is rad because I love trains. Right there, Heritage Center, the Oregon Rail Heritage Center. That's a pretty cool place to go into. Oop, I can't turn in there. It's for the buses and everything to get on the bridge, but we can turn. What the? Oh yeah. Yeah, cool place right here. And they swap stuff out, so it's kind of different whenever you go and stuff. But what the hell? I think I missed that road, that first road that went there to get to it. Here's OMSI. Getting the full. I've never even been inside here, but I've seen lots of pictures and talked to lots of people that have been here, and it's totally awesome. But I should probably go and check it out. But like I said, it's really good for the kids. The kids! That's pretty rad. And yeah, there's some good spots right here if you guys like want to take pictures of the Markham Bridge with your drone. You can park right in this parking lot and pop it up. I did that years back when I was down here trying to look for stuff. Flying from OMSI is a good it's a good spot to launch and land your drone. Let's see what's down here. Metal bridge deck, and it has a motorcycle sign there. No, dude, are you serious? Look, I'm telling you, I'm gravitated towards this fucking bridge. Why? Oh my god. Again. Oh my god, dude. Well, we'll take this side this time. Fuck. Something about it, man. Just something about it. Alright, so at least we've seen OMSI. Maybe we'll just go up and then cross another bridge back over. Yeah, so you've seen the sign right there. It had the little, it said Steel Great Bridge, and then it had a motorcycle there, but it didn't say like warning motorcycle or caution motorcycles. But yeah, use caution on this bridge because it feels funky. Cool bridge though. Cool bridge. That's a cool address, One Main Place. It's on 1st and Main, and they call it One Main Place. I like that. I like that a lot. When I get rich and famous and I get my ranch and the official Oregon Motorcycle headquarters, we'll name it One Main Place. One Main Place. It's the main place, yo. I heard a statistic the other day that was like men in China, is it men in China, like 80% of men in China over the age of 60 smoke or something like that. It was an outrageous statistic. I was like, no way. Okay. Shot of the bridges and the river. The Markham Bridge and the 5. Where are we going? Where are we going? Let's go to Walter. That's gonna dump me where I want to be. By the train tracks. Right there. There's one. That one's pretty sweet. I've shot this one before with my drone. It was pretty rad. It's a good looking one there. Portland's got some good murals. And there's one on the roof up there on this building somewhere. I don't know, I forget now. Lots of homeless folks camping out everywhere. And there's just shit everywhere. Get her fucking done, dog. Just getting her done. Dude's rocking out. Doing it right. What's down here? What is down here? Check it out. Go down by the water. Maybe that's nice. On the Riverwalk. Actually, looks like you can get down here. Breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law, breaking the law. I gotta piss now. Oh, there's porta potties right there. That's where we're going. Too bad the sky didn't have any clouds in it. This is a newer bike. Well, this year it's they changed a lot of stuff on it, but
like an XL or whatever. I was just saying, man, one night I got a pile edge. We were plugged up, dude, and took off from Sea Valley and rode the Frisco to go see what grip with that, dude.
oh hell yeah!
Highway 1.
Nice,
Fucking awesome.
sweet. Ah, yeah, that sucks. Thanks, you too. Got some pictures. Talked to a deadhead. It's like Bradley from Sublime said, don't ever trust a deadhead. I don't really know what he means by that, but... Well, I am gonna go back home and see if I can get some sleep before I go to work. So, if you guys are still with me, I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing and hitting the like button and all that good stuff. So until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.